Hey there, this is Randy from Sesami. In this video, we're going to go over one of the most frequently asked questions that we get here daily. What is a buffer time and how do I use it? In short, buffer time is the extra time added to an appointment duration that you or your service provider uses to finish up or prepare for the next appointment. So for example, if you run a salon and have a 30-minute booking service, but it takes about 15 minutes to clean up afterwards, then you add 15 minutes in the buffer time for after the appointment. On your calendar, the appointment will block off a total of 45 minutes. Buffer times are not visible to your customers. This is useful in the above example since you don't want to advertise to your customers that the service is actually 45 minutes on your booking product page. So let's go over how to set this up on your Sesami account. On your Sesami account, click on the Services tab, click on one of your actual services you've added, and scroll down to the section for buffer times, which is right about here. So the very first question that we usually get is, how come my buffer time is not working? Buffer times only appear on your calendar after an appointment has been made, not before. If there are no appointments on your calendar, there actually cannot be any buffer times. So there are two types of buffers that we have on Sesami: before an appointment and after an appointment. In majority of the cases and majority of merchants, what you're actually looking for is something called a buffer sandwich, which means that there's a buffer time before an appointment and a buffer time after an appointment. The second common question that we get is, how do I have, say, 24 hours before an appointment can be booked by a client? And we use something called before the first appointment on the same day, and it's worth to note that this is in minutes. So in majority of the cases, we're going to add in 1440, which is 24 hours. So what if you don't actually need 24 hours in advance, but perhaps on the same day? Well, we have something called same day booking, and if you click on this checkbox, that means your clients and customers won't be able to book for that specific calendar day. So if it's 8 a.m. your time and you're opening at 9, but somebody books for 8:59 a.m., maybe that's not the best ideal situation for yourself. So clicking on this disables the same day booking. So that's pretty much it. So once again, buffer times only appear after the appointment has been made. For the majority of merchants, the buffer sandwich is what you're looking for. So before each appointment and after each appointment. If you're looking for 24 hours in advance, you're going to be adding in 1440 or however many minutes that you want to have people book in advance. And if you don't want people to book on the same day, we're going to go ahead and click on this. And that's pretty much it. So again, as always, if you have questions, go ahead and email us at help@sesami.co. This is Randy from Sesami.